दोस्तों नमस्कार। तिलहन, दलहन, मसाला, कपास, गवार सीड, सोना चांदी, मेटल, इन सभी के भाव निशुल्क एक वेबसाइट पर उपलब्ध हैं। खाद्य तेलों में सोयाबीन, सरसों, पाम ऑयल के भाव एवं रिसर्च रिपोर्ट्स एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पर उपलब्ध है, तुषार ग्लोबल सर्विसेज.com। बिल्कुल देखना ना मिस कीजिए। यदि आप व्यापारी हैं, मंडी के कमीशन एजेंट हैं या फिर हैं किसान, इन सभी के लिए निशुल्क विशेष भाव एवं रिसर्च रिपोर्ट के लिए विजिट करिए तुषार ग्लोबल सर्विसेज.com।
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Astronomy Guru. Welcome all of you today on 11th October 2022. As you know, in this episode, we discussed about Indian stock markets and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. So, looking at the global markets, if you remember in the yesterday's session, I have put my views that I am expecting some more profit booking can be seen in Indian as well as in the global markets, and exactly things have been seen in the yesterday's session and in today's session also. The Nifty, Bank Nifty have opened gap down, and also if we see the other global markets, then we can see that the US markets were down yesterday, and their futures are also trading down by around 0.5%. And also, if we see other major indices, then the Asian markets are also showing mixed result, although the Chinese market are showing some positive move. But if we see the Hong Kong market, it is significantly down by around 1.65%, and Taiwan market is down by around 4%. Also, if we see the Japanese market is also down by around 2.5%. Although yesterday the Japanese market were closed, therefore the yesterday's impact is also can be seen in today's market. So overall, global markets are still showing weakness and profit booking throughout. And similarly, Indian markets are also showing some profit booking that we have already notified you well in advance that some more profit booking can be seen in Indian markets as well as in the global markets. Bank Nifty is down by around 0.5% and is trading at around 38,931. Now, what it is expected next, we will discuss in this episode. So, if we see the Indian markets as compared to the other global markets, Indian markets again are holding its stance and outperforming from other global markets, and where where the Dow Jones and other indices are significantly down. Here, the Nifty, Bank Nifties is down marginally by around 0.5% or much less. So the Indian markets are again outperforming from other global markets. Although for next few trading days, some more volatility can be seen, some more consolidation can be seen in Indian markets as well as in the global markets. But if we see the Indian markets, then some slight recovery, although no major recovery is expected, but still some amount of recovery, and overall sentiment of the market is still positive. Is still volatile, and on the intraday or interday basis, some recovery can be seen in Nifty, Bank Nifty, so you can consider that. And for the short term perspective, you can consider Asian Paint is looking somewhat positive for the short term perspective. And if you remember in our yesterday's session, also we have recommended Asian Paints when it was significantly down. Now it is up by around 1.5%. So I hope you like that analysis. And Asian Paint you can consider for short term perspective. It is expected to show positive move, but stocks like ONGC and Oil India are expected to show some weakness. And if you remember in the yesterday's episode, when the ONGC was flat to positive, we have recommended that anytime profit booking can be seen in ONGC, and exactly things can be seen in today's market. ONGC is down by more than 1.5%. Also, we have recommended Oil India. Oil India was up yesterday by around 0.5%, and yesterday we have recommended that oil India is expected to show some weakness, and exactly things have been seen in today's market. Oil India is down by more than 2%. So I hope you liked our analysis. In our yesterday's session, we have recommended ONGC and Oil India to show weakness, and stocks like Asian Paints can show positive move. And exactly in this volatile market, uh, you can see the result. ONGC and Oil India are showing weakness, and Asian Paint is showing positive move. So I hope you like the analysis. For further, if we see the Indian markets, then ONGC and Oil India are expected to continue with some profit booking, and Asian Paints is also expected to continue with its positive move. Also, some recovery, some slight recovery, although no big recovery is expected, but still some intraday or interday recovery can be seen in Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can keep your eyes on that. So, this was the overall view of the Indian stock market as of now, and I hope you liked our analysis. You should also go through our standard disclaimer that all this information and analysis are purely for research and educational purposes. We do not hold any responsibility, neither of your profits nor your loss incurred by you if you go to any trade. And if you take any trade, you will be responsible yourself, and it is advised to consult your personal financial advisor and your personal wisdom before taking any trade if you do. So I hope you liked the analysis. That's all for today's episode. Thank you and good day.